So this would be the basic kit for LX Torana. Very similar to what we'd have on, this would be the basic kit representative on pretty much most models that we do. This is our entry level stuff. Twin piston PBR caliper designed for the AU2 Falcon. Again, we use this caliper because it has a better bolt spacing than the VT caliper that I originally spoke about, and it's a little bit more compact, so easier to get under smaller wheels, which is something that the guys want to use classic style wheels and tyre choice and stuff. 290mm rotor, 28mm thick. Again, PBR used that combination on a variety of different vehicles, so the 28mm thick rotor with a twin piston caliper on pretty much all the Australian made models from Toyota, Mitsubishi, Holden and Ford. So it's easy to get components and stuff like that, which means it's easy for us to make brake kits. Rotors are DBA, we buy them as blanks and drill them to the stud pattern that we want to use. All adapts to the original stub axle of the car, so there's no suspension geometry changes, no issues with aftermarket stub axles, that sort of stuff. We've always tried to keep stuff with Australian made components for ease of replacement components down the track. We don't want to force you to come to us to get a replacement brake pad. You could get a brake pad for this kit on any parts supplier anywhere in Australia. We wanted to have Australian made components because we knew they were Australian compliant. So for ADR laws, the Vehicle Standards Bulletin, if we had ADR compliant components which were off Australian made vehicles, we knew we were going to comply to that. Engineers were just going to tick the box, keep moving. They only had to look at the way we'd mounted things and the hub that we're using and stuff like that, which is by far and away stronger than the original components anyway.